श्रूयते वा? यस्य ज्ञानदया सिन्धो रगाधस्य नगा गुणाः सेव्यतामक्षयो धीरा सश्रियै चामृताय च अथ धीवर्गः। बुद्धिर्मनीषा धिषणा
बुद्धिर्मनीषा धिषणा बुद्धिर्मनीषा धिषणा
धीः प्रज्ञा शेमुषी मतिः
धीः प्रज्ञा शेमुषी मतिः धीः प्रज्ञा शेमुषी मतिः
प्रेक्षोपलब्धिश्चित्संवित्
प्रेक्षोपलब्धिश्चित्संवित् प्रेक्षोपलब्धिश्चित्संवित्
प्रतिपज्ञप्तिचेतनाः
प्रतिपज्ञप्तिचेतनाः प्रतिपज्ञप्तिचेतनाः
प्रतिपज्ञप्तिचेतनाः
प्रतिपज्ञप्तिचेतनाः प्रतिपज्ञप्तिचेतनाः
धीर्धारणावती मेधा
धीर्धारणावती मेधा धीर्धारणावती मेधा
संकल्पः कर्ममानसम्
संकल्पः कर्ममानसम् संकल्पः कर्ममानसम्
अवधानं समाधानम्
अवधानं समाधानम् अवधानं समाधानम्
प्रणिधानं तथैव च
प्रणिधानं तथैव च प्रणिधानं तथैव च
चित्ताभोगो मनस्कारः
चित्ताभोगो मनस्कारः चित्ताभोगो मनस्कारः
चर्चा संख्या विचारणा
चर्चा संख्या विचारणा चर्चा संख्या विचारणा
विमर्शो भावना चैव
विमर्शो भावना चैव विमर्शो भावना चैव
वासना च निगद्यते
वासना च निगद्यते वासना च निगद्यते
अध्याहारस्तर्क ऊहः
अध्याहारस्तर्क ऊहः अध्याहारस्तर्क ऊहः
विचिकित्सा तु संशयः
विचिकित्सा तु संशयः विचिकित्सा तु संशयः
सन्देहद्वापरौ चाथ
सन्देहद्वापरौ चाथ सन्देहद्वापरौ चाथ
समौ निर्णयनिश्चयौ
समौ निर्णयनिश्चयौ समौ निर्णयनिश्चयौ
मिथ्या दृष्टिर्नास्तिकता
मिथ्या दृष्टिर्नास्तिकता मिथ्या दृष्टिर्नास्तिकता
व्यापादो द्रोहचिन्तनम्
व्यापादो द्रोहचिन्तनं व्यापादो द्रोहचिन्तनं
समौ सिद्धान्तराद्धान्तौ
समौ सिद्धान्तराद्धान्तौ समौ सिद्धान्तराद्धान्तौ
भ्रान्तिर्मिथ्यामतिर्भ्रमः
भ्रान्तिर्मिथ्यामतिर्भ्रमः भ्रान्तिर्मिथ्यामतिर्भ्रमः
संविदागुः प्रतिज्ञानम्
संविदागुः प्रतिज्ञानम्
नियमाश्रवसंश्रवाः
नियमाश्रवसंश्रवाः
अङ्गीकाराभ्युपगम
अङ्गीकाराभ्युपगम
प्रतिश्रवसमाधयः
प्रतिश्रवसमाधयः
मोक्षे धीर्ज्ञानमन्यत्र
मोक्षे धीर्ज्ञानमन्यत्र
विज्ञानं शिल्पशास्त्रयोः
विज्ञानं शिल्पशास्त्रयोः
मुक्तिः कैवल्यनिर्वाण
मुक्तिः कैवल्यनिर्वाण
श्रेयो निःश्रेयसामृतम्
श्रेयो निःश्रेयसामृतम्
मोक्षोपवर्गोऽथा ज्ञानम्
मोक्षोपवर्गोऽथा ज्ञानम्
अविद्याहं मतिस्त्रियाम्
अविद्याहं
रूपं शब्दो गन्धरसः
रूपं शब्दो गन्धरसः
स्पर्शाश्च विषया अमी
स्पर्शाश्च विषया अमी
गोचरा इन्द्रियार्थाश्च
गोचरा इन्द्रियार्थाश्च
ऋषिकं विषयीन्द्रियम्
ऋषिकं विषयीन्द्रियम्
कर्मेन्द्रियं तु पाय्वादि
कर्मेन्द्रियं तु पाय्वादि
तत्र पायु आदि पाय्व्यादि मनोनेत्रादिधीन्द्रियम्
मनोनेत्रादिधीन्द्रियम्
उत्तमं वेरी गुड धन्यवादाः I will not mute you. You can अन्ये केऽपि वक्तुकामाः सन्ति चेत् कृपया ये केऽपि वक्तुकामाः हस्तं प्रसारयन्तु इषु भगिनी
सर उमा कात्यायनी उमा कात्यायनी गौरी काली हैमवतीश्वरी शिवा भवानी रुद्राणी सर्वाणी सर्वमंगला अपर्णा पार्वती दुर्गा मृडानी चण्डिकाम्बिका आर्या दाक्षायणी चैव गिरिजा मेनकात्मजा कर्मणी तु चामुण्डा धर्ममुण्डा तु चर्चिका विनायको विघ्नराजत्वयि मातुरगणाधिपाः अप्येकदन्तहेरम्बलम्बोदरगजाननाः कार्तिकेयो महासेनः शरजन्माषडाननः पार्वतीनन्दनस्कन्दः सेनानीरग्निभूर्गुहः बाहुलेयस्तारकजित् विशाखशिखिवाहनः षाण्मातुधरः शक्तिधरः कुमारः क्रौञ्च षाण्मातुरः शक्तिधरः कुमारः क्रौञ्चदारणः शृङ्गी भृङ्गीरटस्तुण्डी नन्दिको नन्दिकेश्वरः तावदेव महोदय।
इंद्रो अग्रे इंद्रो अग्रिम पर्याय रामकृष्णन।
नमस्ते महोदय। शिवास शंभूरी
स्टार्ट सर।
शंभुरेश पशुपति शिव शूली महेश्वरः ईश्वरः सर्व ईशानः शंकरः चंद्रशेखरः भूरेश कंड परशुर्गिरीशो गिरीशो मृडः मृत्युंजय कृत्तिवासा पिनाकी प्रथमाधिपः उग्र उग्र कबद्धि श्रीकंठ शितिकंठ कपालभृतु वामदेवो महादेवो विरूपाक्षस्त्रिलोचनः कृशानुरेता सर्वज्ञो दूर्जाटिर्नीललोहितः हरस् दूर्जटिर्नीललोहितः हरस्मरहरो वर्गस्त्र्यम्बकस्त्रिपुरान्तकः गंगाधरोऽन्तकरिभुः क्रतुध्वंसी वृषध्वजः व्योमकेशो भवो भीमस्थाणो रुद्र उमापतिः अहिर्बुद्ध्योष्टमूर्तिश्च गजारिश्च महानटः कबर्देश्च जटाजूट पिनाको जगवं धनुः प्रथमास्यु पारिषदां ब्राह्येत्याद्यास्तु मातरः ब्राह्मी माहेश्वरी चैव कौमारी वैष्णवी तथा वाराही चैव वाराही तदेन्द्राणी चंडमुंडा सप्तमादरः
चामुंडा सप्तमा next time you can tell
ऐश्वर्यम् अणिमालिकमष्टधाम् अणिमामहिमा चैव धरिमा लहिमा तथाम् प्राप्ति प्राकाम्य निशित्वं वशित्वं षष्ठसिद्धयः।
Mahodaya, you can stop here. We can continue next time. You can from Uma you can continue next time. Dhanyawad. So what I request everybody is, there are many students who are very silent in the class, who attend the class, who do not participate in either questions or in recitation. So I would request everybody to participate in the class. There is Varun, then we have Vipaschit, then we have Vishalakshi Bhagini. Sometimes she recites actually. Sushila, Umeshji, she participates. Subramanyam Jiddu, there are some people who are under that name, they are logging in. Subramanian Gopalan, these some people are there. Harish Kumar, Shweta, Shamala Ramachandran, I think she was reciting previously. Sai Lakshmi, Ravi Kala, Jaladhar Vyas Mahodaya, Kausalya Bhagini, she recites, so there is no problem. Krishna Nemani, I think they have recently joined, so they are doing. Mrityunjay Joshi, he was very active in the initial days. He was reciting. Now he doesn't lift the hand only. Mahodaya doesn't lift the hand. Bharat Rao, very active person in the joining and other things, but I have not seen them participating. Aruna Bhagini, sometimes she asks questions, but recitation she has to participate. Andrew Hillam, Andrew Mahodaya, you have to participate in recitation. Bala Bharati has to participate in recitation. There are so many people. What I would request is, once a while you can raise the hand. I will try my level best to see that you are given chance. At least in 1 week you should have spoken once. Otherwise I will forget your name and I will forget. Though I know now all of you are coming regularly, so I know all of you. But once in a week, it would be nice to recite something and do some samarpadam. And for me also, I can hear your voice and feel happy that you are reciting and you are a part of this class. Request everybody from tomorrow in Amarakosha class, please participate in the class. This will increase my interest to teach. Otherwise, the same 4-5 people are raising the hands for recitation. See, I have given you open sheet that you can see and read. When you are comfortable reading, please see and read if it is possible. Once you read, then when you read in front of everybody, if there is a correction, you can make the correction. Once the corrections are done, then you can start by hearting. You will also feel that I have to by heart. So, and normally 2 or 3 times you read, you will get see Ramakrishnan Mahodaya. There are a lot of people who are directly say that we will not by heart, but we will read. So there are reading like that. You can also. I request everybody to start reading or memorizing. Please participate in the class in some way. You must participate in the class. This is one of my requests. I think I hope all of you will listen to this request and see whenever you can participate. Now coming back to the meanings, today's meanings. Chita Bhogo Manaskaraha Charcha Sankhya Vicharana. Till there, I think we did. Next set of meanings is 1 minute. Vimarsho bhavana chaiva vasana cha nigatyate adhyaharastarkavuhaha vichikitsatu samshayaha. First he talks about Charcha Sankhya Vicharana. So Charcha Sankhya Vicharana. Now yesterday I was thinking about this Charcha, Sankhya and Vicharana. Are they synonyms or are they different methods? I was just thinking about it. So I thought they can also, in some places they are Charcha Sankhya Vicharana. So there is a slight difference in this Charcha Sankhya Vicharana. They can be called as, I think you can take it as 3 words for 3 types of Pramana Parikshanam. Pramana Parikshanam. So Pramanartha Parikshanasya Trayaha Margaha Santi. So Charcha is a discussion. Suppose you want to find out the root cause, the real truth, the tattva, the philosophy, then you can discuss with others. So that is Charcha. Sankhya, kya prakatane, so Sankhya. So by telling it out in the form of a sadas, in a sadas or something, that is Sankhya. Vicharana. Vicharana is yada sandehaha udbhavati tada vicharanam kriyate. Investigative inquiry, or we have a doubt, then we ask, we do vichara. I think we should think about this. That is vicharana. And also you inquire with elders that is this right. So it is a pramana parikshana upaya. More than synonyms. Yesterday I probably told in the class that these three are belong to something like synonym. These three are synonyms. So it is not synonym. I was thinking about it. I think I feel that they may not be synonyms. They are three different techniques to do a Vishaya Parikshana. Okay. So, and this Vishaya Parikshana can be open, or it can be through the mind. That is why it has come here. By the mind. Normally they are telling Charcha, Sankhya, Vicharana. Some of the things may happen inside the mind. Some may be very, it can be open also. So that is what it is. It comes to. Then next part is Vimarsho Bhavana Chaiva Vasana Cha Nipatyate. Vimarsho Bhavana Chaiva Vasana Cha Nipatyate. In many of the textbooks, this line may not be there. Directly it gets into Adhyaharas Tarkau. So in some books it is there. Vimarshaha Bhavana Chaiva Vasana Cha Nigadyate. Nigadyate means it is called. One Vimarshaha is analysis. Bhavana Chaiva Vasana Cha Nigadyate. Just give me a minute. Regarding this Vasana, I will tell tomorrow, because I suddenly got some doubt about this Vasana. So I will tell that line, Vimarsho Bhavana Chaiva, I will tell that line tomorrow. Adhyaharas Tarkauhaha Vichikitsatu Cha Samshayaha. So Adhyaharaha Tarkaha Uhaha. These are three words for Tarka. Tarka is logic. So logically deriving something. Adhyaharaha Tarkaha Uhaha. Then you have Vichikitsa tu Samshayaha Sandehadvaparo Cha Atha. So Cha Atha is a separator. So Vichikitsa is a first word. Tu is again a separator, which separates Uha and Vichikitsa. Vichikitsa, Samshaya, Sandeha, Dwapara. 4 words. Samshaya Jnanam. Any Samshaya doubt you have, that is called as Vichikitsa, Samshaya, Sandeha, Dwapara. So first one is Akaranta Strilinga, balance are Akaranta Pullinga. This is regarding doubt or Samshaya. Samshaya. Next is Sandeha Dwaparo Chata Atha Samau Nirnaya Nishchayau. Regarding Atha Samau, Nirnaya and Nishchaya are 2 words which are used for decision. Nishchaya Jnanasya, decisive knowledge. So I know that this is Ekam Brahma. I know that Jagan Mithya, Nirnaya Jnanam, Nischaya Jnanam. That is called decisive knowledge. That means it is very firm. You know that this is idam ittam iti jnanam. Tadeva nirnaya nischaya. Mithya drishtirnastikata. Now, mithya drishtirnastikata. So Mithya Drishtihi, what they are saying is, there are two kinds of philosophies. One is Astika philosophy and other one is called Nastika philosophy. Normally what they say is Astika is one who are set of people who believe in God, and Nastika are a set of people who do not believe in God. This is what everybody says. But as per the Shastra, when we call it as Nastika Darshanam and Astika Darshanam, this is a very important point to note. Nastika is a person who does not believe in the Pramana of the Vedas. Nothing to do with God. Nastika is a person. Nastika is a person who does not believe in the Pramana of the Vedas. Astika is a person who believes in the Pramana of the Vedas. So Bauddha Dharma and Jaina Dharma are Nastika Dharma because they don't believe in the Pramana of the Vedas, Karma Kanda. But they believe that Buddha is God or Jaina Tirthankara is God. It is an avatara they believe. So this is what is Nastikata. So in that the point is Mithya Drishtihi Nastikata is not believing that there is Paraloka or Veda, whatever matters are told in Veda. If you don't believe that, that is called Mithya Drishtihi Nastikata. Vyapado Droha Chintanam. Vyapada Dvayam. Vyapadaha. What is the meaning of Vyapadaha? When Droha Chintanam is Vyapada, that means Droha Chintanam is the word. Vyapada is also the word. Droha Chintanam is the meaning for Vyapada. So what it is saying is, thinking that I should do some droha to another person is Vyapada. You have to think, you need not do it. If you think also, it is Vyapada. So Vyapado, Droha Chitram are two words for that thing. Droha Chitram. Samo Siddhanta Radhanto. So Siddhanta is the accepted philosophy, agreed philosophy. So Siddhanta, what is the agreed thing? There may be many vicharas between two scholars. At the end, they will say they will create a Siddhanta. They will say this is the Siddhanta. For example, there can be a Siddhanta like this. In Kali Yuga, reciting the name of the Lord itself will give the phala of doing yagas. If you do it correctly with bhakti, this may be a Siddhanta. Two scholars will discuss about this, and then they will arrive at a Siddhanta. So that Siddhanta, Samau Siddhanta Radhanto. Siddhanta has got Siddhanta and Radhanta are the two words for conclusion. Siddhanta is conclusion. You conclude and you tell this is the accepted, agreed decision, philosophy, or what it is. Now, if you cannot conclude, what will happen is Bhrantir Mithya Matir Brahmaha Bhrantihi Bhranti Mithyamatihi Brahmaha. There are three words. Bhrantihi Mithyamatihi. That means the mind has to think in a particular way. It doesn't think in a particular way. It is going in a reverse direction, or it is thinking in a different way. That is Mithyamatihi. And it is also called Bhrantihi. Bhrantihi is a delusion, diverse, whatever you say. Bhrantihi, Mithyamatihi, Brahmaha. Even incorrect thinking or wrong thinking also can be called as Bhranti. Tasya Brahmaha Utpanna. So in Shastra Sandal, when somebody has got the concept right, they will not say Saha Dosham Kritavan, something they will not say. Bhranti Utpanna. He has just, his mind is slightly thinking in a different way. He should actually correct his thinking like this. That is what they say. So course correction is required. So Bhrantihi Mithyamatihi Brahmaha. These are words for mistake or incorrect thinking. So we'll stop here. I think we have discussed about highlights. So any questions, you can raise your hand. Ramachandran Srinivasan, you have a question? I think he doesn't have a question. Venkatraghavan Mallikarjun.
Namaskara. Is it guesswork or how do you colloquial usually but here does it have a different connotation?
ಊಹಾಪೋಹ ಜ್ಞಾನಂ ಅಂತಾನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಶಾಸ್ತ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ. So ಊಹಾ, see what you do in tarka is अस्माभिः तत्र एवं भवितुमर्हति इति ಊಹಾ ಕ್ರಿಯತೆ. ಗೆಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. It guess by using the word guess in English. Can you guess my name? Can you guess my color? What is my atra ಅಲ್ಲ, ಇದು ಮನಸ್ಸಿನ ವಿಚಾರ. So here it is about the mind. So ಊಹಾ is what the mind thinks about a particular vishaya, and you present that thought in a particular way, and you say, is this logical? That ūha poha jnanam, that discussion. So ūha apoha, these two discussions, when it happens, it becomes a tarka, it becomes the logic.
Okay. Apoha means dismissing. Apoha means okay.
Dismissing.
It's kind of inquiry clarification atara baratta.
That is what we should take here. Adhyaharastarkau. That is what is meant here.
Dhanyawad. Thank you, sir. I've started getting emails for the daily classes also. Tumba
okay.
Thanks.
Okay. Thank you. Sriram Karunagaran.
महोदय, तत्र विमर्शो भावना इति अस्ति। विमर्शो भावना इति तद् विचारणस्य पर्यायपदानि पदे वा? विचारणा इति पदस्य पर्याय पदद्वयं विमर्शो भावना इति वा?
न, चर्चा संख्या विचारणा इति यदा विचारः क्रियते त्रिविध विचारणं भवितुमर्हति. प्रमाण समीक्षणं, कस्यापि प्रमाण परीक्षणं यदा क्रियते तदा अस्माभिः त्रिधा कर्तुं शक्यते. चर्चारीत्या वा, संख्यारीत्या वा, विचारणारीत्या वा. तत्र समाप्तं. विमर्शो भावना चैव इति अग्रिम एक नूतन पंक्तिः आरब्धा तदेव मम संशयः आसीत् पूर्वस्मिन् पूर्वस्यां पंक्तौ योजनीयं वा नो चेत् वासना इत्यत्र किमपि
तत्र भावना इति तर्कशास्त्रे आगच्छति भावना इति भवति रीत्या चिन्तनमेव तस्य अर्थः तत्र भावना इति आगच्छति यदा
मीमांसाशास्त्रे आगच्छति आर्थी भावना एतत् सर्वं मीमांसाशास्त्रे आगच्छति अहं दृष्ट्वा वदामि तद्विषये अहं तदेव उक्तवान् तद् लैन् अहम् अनन्तरं वदामि
अनन्तरं सिद्धान्त राधान्तौ राधान्तः इति
सिद्धान्तस्य पर्यायपदं
राधान्तः
धन्यवादः वरुण नंदुरी
Namaskaram Mahodaya. I have a question. So you're talking about the Pramanam of Vedas, right? The Pramanam of Vedas, the Nasakti person that doesn't believe in the Pramanam of Vedas. The person that doesn't believe in
Nastika. The term Nastika and Astika, it refers to that.
And what is the Pramanam of Vedas? What does it say? Like?
Whatever it says, Pramana is whatever it says. For example, if it says you have to do karma, Vedas say that you have to do karma. It is a Pramana of Veda that you have to do karma. If you do karma, you will get Chitta Shuddhi. From Chitta Shuddhi, you will get Jnana. That is what Vedas say. Example I am telling you. Like this, 1,000 things it says. So, if that is not accepted by you and you don't indulge in that activity, then you are said to be a Nastik. Very good. Saurabh Mahodaya.
Yes. Ram, sir.
Ram.
Is this same line, Vimarsho Bhavana Cheva Vasana Cha Nigadyate. So what does this word Nigadyate stand for? I didn't get that.
Nigadyate stands for is told, is called.
Is called, okay.
Right. But I have not explained it. I have not explained that line because I myself have some doubts on that line. I will have to refer that.
Okay. Dhanyawad. Thank you.
Umesh Parulekar.
In that line, Charcha, Sankhya, Vicharana. So I understand Charcha and Vicharana. What is Sankhya? Is it? Again, explain a little bit.
Sankhya is what is the kya prakatane dhatu. Prakatane means explanation.
Okay.
To explain. Sankhya means enunciation, explanation. Those kind of meanings can come in Sankhya.
Okay. Dhanyawad.
Right. Venkateswaran Gopala.
Namaste, Mahoday. Sir,
namaste, sir.
See, whatever that is being prescribed as Shastras, if you analyze from the modern science and this thing aspect, you should not be construed as you are proposing a Nastikavada. For example, I tell you, if you use stainless steel in Shraddha Karmas, instead of brass or silver, it is prohibited. But stainless steel is corrosion very resistant. Years together you can use it. Brass you have to wash off and on. How this, you have to gel it, With the current knowledge, whatever that is being specified, what was specified earlier, you have to moderate, but this should not be construed as Nastikavadam.
It is
That's
not
my-
construed as Nastikavadam. Veda Pramanam Yaha Angina Karo. What is Pramanam? Veda Pramanam in what kind of things? In Vedanta Vichara. So it is not about in small things like stainless steel, brass and other things. Veda Pramanam Yaha Jiva Vedanta Vishayeshu, Jiva Jagat Ishvara Vishayeshu, Veda Pramanam Yaha Nangi Koroti, Saha Nastikaha. Karma Kartavyam Tadanantaram Jnanam Ityadi Pradhana Vishayeshu. Tatra Etadrisha Vishayeshu na iti Tatra Veda Pramanam iti Tatra Uchyate. Simple thing. Venkateswaran Gopala, Mahodaya, can you unmute yourself? I don't know why you are suddenly it goes into. So let me clarify this. There is a Taittiriya Upanishad Vakya, Satyam Vada. Satyam Vada is tell, let us all speak the truth. Let you speak the truth. This is a Vakya which is told by the Guru to his Shishya when he is graduating. Satyam Vada. So Satyam Vada is what Veda Vakya is telling. Now, do you think we all become Nastikas? Are we telling Satya every time? That means if we don't tell Satya once, do we all become Nastikas? That is not the intent of that. In the philosophy, whether you are a Nastika or Astika by philosophy, whether you accept Jiva Jagat Ishvara, you accept the Veda Pramana, you accept Karma Kanda, you accept everything. You accept and say, I cannot follow. That is different. You cannot say what Veda is telling is not incorrect, or you cannot, in Kali Yuga, we cannot follow this. All that is different. If there is a Siddhanta, it is different. If there is no Siddhanta, we accept that Veda has told this. But we accept that, we say that we cannot follow this. That is one. First of all, there is no acceptance at all in Buddhism and Jainism or in other Charvaka. This one, they don't believe in Veda Pramana itself. That is the fundamental difference I am talking about, Astika and Nastika. I hope you understood, sir. Raja Raman Mahodaya.
Namaskaram, sir. Sir, this Rajaraman here, Sankhya, when we are saying in Hindi and all, Sankhya is number. What is the difference between Sankhya and that Sankhya? Spelling?
It has got two, there is no spelling in this one, it has got two meanings.
That's all. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Rama.
So that is also correct, this is also correct.
Namo Namaha Mahodaya. If for Astikas, Veda is the basis on which the entire philosophy is
correct.
standing upon.
Yes.
For Charvaka and Buddhism and other Nastikas, what is the basis for them? On what basis they are arguing?
That I don't know. But they consider that Veda Pramana is not there. They will not take the Veda Pramana itself. They will have other basis, their own granthas. Veda is not considered as a basis.
Those granthas are created by somebody.
Purusha.
It is not Apaurusheya.
Apaurusheya. Yes.
But in Bhagavatam, there is a mention of Buddha and Jaina and all, is it not, sir?
Buddha is mentioned, that Buddha is Vishnu's avatara Buddha, which is different. So and that Buddha is not the Shaudodani who went and who did this Buddhism. That Buddha is different. He is an avatar of Vishnu. Avatar of Vishnu is different Buddha.
Oh, then but there is no question of following his ವಿಷ್ಣುದ ಅವತಾರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವು ಯಾರು ಫಾಲೋವರ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಮ್ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆಸ್ತಿಕ ಧರ್ಮದಿಂದ?
We all follow Vishnu Avatara only. The Buddha Avatara mentioned in Bhagavata is entirely different from the Buddha who has come out with the Buddhism, which doesn't have Veda Pramana, which doesn't accept Veda Pramana. Those two Buddhas are different. That is what I think. So Buddha. So in Bhagavata, the Buddha is also an avatara. There are other avatars also. Kapila Avatara, Sankhya. Kapila Muni is a Sankhya from which yoga has come out. So yoga marga is Veda Pramanam Angikurvanti. So yoga is a Astika Darshana. Whereas other Jaina, Charvaka, Buddha are Nastika Darshana.
Right. Thank you.
So it is not considering God anta ಒಂದು character ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಾರ್ದು. It is about Veda Pramana.
Right.
Surya Narayan Mahodaya.
Namaste sir. This Vasana, what the unfulfilled desires an Atma carries to the next birth. Like example, Carnatic music, child prodigy we say, in mathematics, child prodigies we say. Is that the same that represented here?
I don't know, sir. I have to refer and tell. That line I have not studied.
That Vimarsho Bhavana Chaiva Vasana Cha Nigadhyate.
Because it is not there. When I studied Amarakosha, my grandfather did not teach me that line. It is not there in the actually in my book. If I refer all the books also, it is not there. There is no Vyakhyana for it. So I have to refer other texts and see how this line has come inside Amarakosha, and then I have to analyze that. I will come back to you. There is a book called Rasala Vyakhyana, from where this has come. I will just see that book and tell. Give me some time.
Okay. Dhanyawad.
Soumya Harish Kumar.
Sir, for Sankhya, for Sankhya philosophy, can I understand this as the step-by-step procedure that is being taken to arrive at a particular decision, to arrive at a particular point?
The Sankhya is different, Sankhya is different.
Oh, okay.
Sankhya is a philosophy, name of a philosophy, Astika Darshana. Here, so when the philosophical discussions were coming, I was talking about yoga and Sankhya. Sankhya talks about Prakriti, Purusha, the Chaturvimshati Tattva and other things. Kapila Maharshi has Kapila, who is an avatar of Vishnu. In Bhagavatam, she was talking about Bhagavatam. That is where I told her that yoga also has come from Sankhya, and it is an Astika Darshana I was talking. Sankhya is different, Sankhya is different. Sankhya is, that's all. I think you're right.
Okay, thank you.
Pancharadam, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
What I'm saying is there are several discussions on this word Charcha, Sankhya, and Vicharana. Yesterday they said they're all synonyms. In a way, you're right. They are synonyms. They're all. Charcha is discussion. Vicharana, in a way, it is not a discussion because you start investigating it and then you discuss based on the fact finding. Sankhya and Sankhya, they should be related, right? Sankhya is the discussion of the matter. Khyayate, right? It's a good discussion. Sankhya. Sankhya philosophy came out of discussion, isn't it? When you arrive at all these philosophical conclusions based on discussion. So I thought they are kind of related instead of independent.
No. Sankhya and Sankhya are related, that's different. But here, Charcha, Sankhya, Vicharana, 3 words are only are given. When Astika Darshana I was mentioning, I mentioned Sankhya as a philosophy. So that is entirely different. If you are taking the discussion to another level, which I think is out of the scope of this class. So, which if we go to the dhatu of every word, you can the words will be related. That is one part. Charcha, Sankhya, Vicharana. Yesterday I told that they are synonyms. Yes, they are synonyms, but slightly they differ in. You can also tell that they are the means of Pramana Pariksha. There are three methods of Pramana Pariksha. You can consider it as a list or as a synonym. Is what is today's my thoughts, my revised thoughts for today.
That's good. Both are correct. I'm not denying that. Then coming back to this, Gopal and somebody asked, he talked about using stainless steel. Do we disagree with the Vedas? Well, I think you touched on the point. The more important is Vedas are more like a fundamental truth. All these samskaras, they came later based on people who have implemented their activities. So they are totally different, right? Because Rama did his ceremony for his father with whatever he had. So even though it didn't follow the samskara described by the Veda, so there should not be confused between Veda Pramanam and then what we do in daily activity.
Right. Yes, sir. That's what I clarified that. Okay.
That's very nice. I think this is a very important topic. We can discuss a lot. So what we are doing is actually Vicharana, Sankhya, the Charcha, right? That's what we are doing. So in order to understand this. So Buddha Bhagavan is also an astrological graha. It is named after because it is based on he is supposed to be an incarnation of knowledge. That's how the name is given. So the Buddha is supposed to be lot of knowledge, wisdom, whereas the Guru is wisdom.
धन्यवाद सर.
Thank you.
स्वस्ति प्रजाभ्यः परिपालयन्तां न्यायेन मार्गेण महिषाः गोब्राह्मणेभ्यः शुभमस्तु नित्यं लोकाः समस्ताः सुखिनो भवन्तु.